Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Lebanese Zaatar bread updated. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees F and line a baking sheet. Mix 3 cups flour, 1 cup warm water, 1 tsp salt, and 1 tablespoon yeast until a soft dough forms. Knead for 8 minutes until smooth, then place in an oiled bowl and rest covered for 60 minutes until doubled. Proceed to shape and top the dough. Warm up your hands and keep a light touch while kneading to avoid overworking the dough. Use 65% hydration as a guideline and add small water increments if needed. Cover the bowl with plastic or a damp towel to prevent skin forming. For a slow ferment, refrigerate for 8 to 24 hours to build flavor. Bring dough back to room temperature before shaping to ensure easy stretching and even rise in the oven. Combine 3 tablespoons za'atar, 3 tablespoons olive oil, and a pinch of salt to make a fragrant za'atar paste. Roll dough into oval or round discs about 8 to 10 inches across and brush generously with the paste. Bake on a preheated sheet or stone for 8 to 10 minutes until edges blister and bottom sounds hollow. Let cool slightly before slicing so the herb aroma settles and the texture becomes perfect for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.